An old fella told me one time, when you turn a ship around, you don't just go in and grab the wheel and start turning because you upset the ship. You have to go in and give it a little spin each morning, say, good morning, man, how are you doing? Let's have a good day and be safe. And when you go home tonight, give it another little spin. And he said, the next thing you know, the ship's going a whole different direction, and nobody knows how that happened, but you're going in the right direction, and that's what we're trying to do here at Highways, is turn this ship around. It happened quickly. It was on the 30th of June. A lot of the roads were underwater, a lot of roads were closed, a lot of things washed away. We have a lot of slips and slides, and a lot of roads washed out. We're just trying to get those put back. After the flood of 6:30, there was another high water event just a few days later that of course did some more damage. So we put it back, and it washes out. We put it back again, and it's a pretty violent cycle, it seems to be. They're focused on trying to get back to the basics and do the drainage and things like that, and that's what we've been working on daily. So we've been understaffed for a long time. Preston County has more severe winters than a lot of other counties, and a lot of times our maintenance season, regular maintenance seasons, are a lot shorter because of the winter. Things like that, the general public don't take into consideration. So I can see where things are getting better as far as being able to get equipment when needed. Manpower has increased. Being able to get supplies has increased. What we're able to use if we need it. But the governor and leadership is doing what they can to turn this ship around. Just ask the public to be patient while it is happening, and give us time, slow down work zones, of course, things like that. So